Hello everyone, this is Satinder. In today's tutorial, I just wanted to show you how we can register Vantrue dashcam product online. So first thing you will have to do is make sure you open a browser of your choice. For example, I have opened google.com. I will go ahead and search Vantrue register product. You will see that Vantrue website coming up in the search engine. Just open the website. From here you will see a different a way to do the sign up and login. So what we're gonna do is we'll go here and just type in vantrue.com.net register, and once you will come here, you will see different options like signing up and login. So if you are a new user and you are gonna sign up for the product and like register the product for additional warranty of 18 months, you will come here, you will punch in your name, you will punch in your email address and your password. Once you do that, you will see that you should be able to log in, and once you are able to log in, what you will have to do is go to the website from where you purchase the product, or if you purchase it in store, it still works. Put in the order number, give the date when you ordered it, and choose the product of your choice. For example, I bought T2 dashcam. I selected this option. Then there is a serial number. So you will find the serial number on the hardware device or the actual product. It will not be on the packaging. So what you will have to do is just look at the bottom where you see the 4 different buttons like menu and all. You will see the serial number there. Punch in the serial number here. Then you choose the website from you purchased. For example, if you bought it from Amazon, you will see Amazon option there. You just choose it and put in your name, phone number and any other additional information. Go ahead and save. Once you save it, you will see that there might be some validation done, and then you should be able to see that your product is successfully registered, and you will also receive an email from Vantrue. And if you still have any doubt, you can still go ahead and send an email to support@vantrue.net, and you should be all set beyond that. Thank you so much. I hope this was a very short and a good informative video. Thanks again.